mLIMS strain settings tutorial generated by Susan from BioInfoRx. mLIMS provides flexible drop-down menus to help you manage your mouse strains more efficiently. Strains are used across multiple areas in mLIMS, such as animals, matings, and litters. To unify all strains across these modules, go to System Settings. Click on Settings, select Animals, set Consolidate Strain Menu to Yes. After Consolidate Strain is setting up, if we add a new mouse with a new strain, the new strain will be incorporated into the strain dropdown and can be used later on. Here we are going to add a new mouse with a new strain, Delta. We can see, because Delta strain has never been added to the system, it is not available in the drop-down menu. We just type it in, and with Consolidate Strain setting up as yes, this will add Delta to the drop-down menu. Delta will be available in the strain of mating and litter as well. Let's try to add a second mouse with the strain Delta. With the Consolidate Strain setting as yes, you can see Delta is available in the drop-down menu. Let us try to set up a new mating. You can see Delta strain is available here as well. Once Consolidate Strain menu is enabled, you can control how strains appear in the drop-downs. Go to System Settings, select Drop-Down List, go to Strains. There are 3 options for the strain. One is All. It will display every strain from mouse of active or inactive. Active Only shows only active mice strains are listed in the drop-down menu, and this is recommended. Let's try an example. In this example, we are going to sacrifice the mice with beta strain. First, we will find the mice with beta strain and sacrifice them. First, search the mice with beta strain. Select them all. Sacrifice them. After sacrifice them, try to add a new mouse and check the drop-down menu of the strain. With all of the mice with beta strain sacrificed, there will be no beta in the strain drop-down menu. We can see that the beta strain is no longer available in the drop-down menu. This way, when a lab have retired a mouse strain, the drop-down menu will show only the active strain and avoid the confusion. If you have any questions, please contact us.